I had a subscriber ask me, he wanted me to go over my marketing and my results from last year. What's up, fam? It's Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Well, I had a subscriber ask me, he wanted me to go over my marketing and my results from last year. So let me do that for my subscriber. Hope that he subscribed to my channel. All right, so last year I did several different marketing. Number one, I built me a website. I also did every door direct mailers. I got bandit signs, and I got me some door hangers. So he wants to know, hey, based upon, all the money you spent, what did you get back for it? And I know that's important, guys. It's really scary spending money and you don't know if you're gonna get any clients. That's kind of like one of the worst feelings ever. I know. I deal with it too. It's very hard for me to believe that marketing or spending money, I'm gonna get some money back. But I have to get over my fear because I know people spend millions of dollars to be on the Super Bowl advertisement and it works. So let me start off by saying I spent $1,500 last year designing a website. Now you're gonna ask me, what you get for it? Well, first off, ain't nobody gonna find your website just by searching your name. I mean, how can I put that? No one's gonna find your website without you spending some form of money, meaning search engine optimization. Now that's a word that even I don't understand how it works. So that's why you gotta get somebody who designs a website. So for the $1,500, I made some money. And I'm gonna show you how I made some money right now, okay? All right, so the way I made money was I set up myself personally my Google ad. My business, I think it's called My Business Google ad, something like that. And that's where the money is, guys. That's where it's going. Now, the reason why I say it is because technology is sitting in the palm of your hand right now. Some of you may be looking at this video from your smartphone. That's the reason why I'm saying that's where it's going. Everything that you search for, Chinese food, hotels near you, all come from your cell phone. Now I'm dropping this jewel. This is a jewel right here. I'm giving away for free. You know why? Because I can't cut all this grass by myself. That's why. Because it don't matter if I tell you, it's the ones who actually do it is going to be a benefit from this. The guys who come and look at your channel and they're kind of nervous about it, and I can understand the nervousness, man. But I guarantee you, get your website and you need to get you a My Google Business. So I have already showed you how to do this on my channel. So if you're looking at how to do My Google Business, some more information on it, please look on my channel. It'll tell you that information. So let me get to the fun part. Just this quarter, I mean the last 3 months, I'm talking about August, September, and October, I had from My Google Business, I had like 80 people go to my website. 80. And they probably would have never went to my website if it wasn't for the business Google ad. Now, guess how much that costs you? Free. It's free. Guys, it is absolutely 100% free. And I got 80 customers at least who want their grass cut. Not someone who's kicking tires. You know, they could Google anything. And Lord knows you can Google anything on the internet right now. And they was Googling getting their lawn service, okay? So, I know I had 87 people view my website in the last 3 months. And that's in the down season. Now, How many of that I got? I'm pretty sure out of that, man, I probably got about 8. No, man. I probably got about, out of 80 people came, I probably got 10 customers. Easy. I got at least 10, easy. Because they came to your site, they called me up, they show you that on Google, whether or not they call you. And I know I got at least 10 of them, easy, in the last 3 months. In August, September, October, when it's pretty much geared to go downhill. So that's one of the things. If you must get a website. You must get a Google business ad. You must. It's a must because it's going to the phone. All right. So that cost me $1,500 to do, plus my time and energy to put up pictures and everything. Because you don't want no ugly looking business Google ad page where you just got your name and your number, no pictures of your work. If you cutting grass and not taking pictures of your work, shame on you. You need to do it. You need to take the time, take the pictures, take the videos. No, don't take videos, you know, unless you want to do, YouTube. But definitely take pictures of your work. Definitely. Every time you work, guys, take a picture of your work. Well, I don't want to say every time. That's redundant. But definitely, if you're trying to get customers. All right. So that's check. See what else I got. Because I'm working from a list. Because you know I can ramble. All right. Every door direct mailers. Guys, I sent out probably, let's say 3,000. I would say about 3,000 every door direct. Probably less than that. I probably send out 1,500. 1,500 every door direct mailer. Design and everything. The design for the postcard plus to get them out and everything. It probably cost me $600. $600. Yes, $600 for about 15 postcards to go out. I'm trying to keep y'all out of the sun. All right. Now, how many customers did I get back? I'm going to guarantee out of the 1,500, I'm going to guarantee I got back 4. 4. Now, you saying, man, was it worth it, man? One of the guys I cut his service $85 every 2 weeks. He paid for the campaign. So I am going to do it again. I am going to put out every door direct mailers again this year. So yes, I'm going to spend the $600 easily. I'm going to spend it because 4 customers, $600, I will take it. Because I'm trying to get them early. And that's what I got. I got a person at the beginning of the season. Now, I wasn't spending the money late in the season, but I'll spend the money at the beginning of the season. So I'm going to see where it leads me this year, because I am going to focus on a certain street this time that I already have customers in. So yes to that. So the next one, I don't want to make this too long. The next one is bandit signs. Guys, I did bandit signs this season. I bought 100. Guess how many clients I got from them 100 bandit signs? I ain't put out 100. I probably put out a good 15, if that. Out of 15 signs I put out, because some of them get pulled up. They will pull them up, especially where I live at. Out of the 15, I wound up getting 1 confirmed customer. Man, guess what? It was worth it, because I wound up cutting his grass for at least half the season. And my season is 18 weeks. So I at least had him half the season, at least 9 cuts. So it was worth that 1 customer paid for it. And guess what? I have enough bandit signs where I remember I only put out 15, so I don't have to do it, buy another one, but I'm putting out bandit signs again this year. So that's what I made on that. Door hangers. Probably got about 2,500 door hangers. I designed them and everything. And I probably put out about I still got door hangers now. I probably put out maybe 800. I probably put out 800 door hangers this season. Out of the 800 door hangers, I at least got 7 people. Got 7 people. And guess what? I still got door hangers. I'm going to use them this year. Yes, sir. So I got 7 out of the about 800 I put. And all of it, 2,500 flyers, was like door hangers was like 350 bucks. Easy. Now, if you have any questions on any of the stuff that I use as far as marketing and everything, please check my channel. All my information on what I used last season is the same thing I'm gonna use this season. And what's so cool about it, I got leftover. And I'm gonna use that tactic again this year. So you're gonna ask me, well, Vic, how many customers did you get this season? I'm gonna be straight up with you. I serviced 196 customers this season. Out of the 196 customers, I turned some people away. I was like, I'm not doing one-time cuts. Nope, I ain't doing it. I'm too proud to beg. You can't get down on my system. I ain't doing it. I shouldn't have. I should have took them jobs. I should have took it. The only thing I'm not gonna do, I'm not going to allow people to just pay me in cash. And that's another story. I know some of y'all like, I'll take the money. But for me, I'm trying to grow my business, and I can't be going around people hide money under rocks and over here and over there. I can't have my guys collecting money. And that's a job in itself. It's gonna be credit card or debit card. That's just the way I roll. Now, what I was getting to was that I serviced like 196 clients. Out of the 196, I probably had on rotation like a strong 120, 140 clients, like on rotation. In other words, I cut their yards every 14 days. Now for me, I need more clients. I have to have more clients because I have 2 trucks. So I need at least 300. I want 300 clients next year. That's my goal. I didn't get the 300 I wanted this year. That was my goal, to have 300. I serviced 196 new clients. I know it for a fact. It was 196. And out of that, fell short. But I'm happy because I doubled what I made my first year with just me and my guy on the truck. Now, a lot of my money went to my workers. I didn't get paid like I did last year. I actually made less money. But that's me because I want to get off the truck. But you guys, man, let me tell you this. If you starting your business, if you starting a business for next year, I guarantee you can make 9 grand. Easy. And that's only with, 18 customers. Do the math. It depends on how long your season running. So that's my my numbers for last season. Okay, that's my number. That's what I made. That's what I'm gonna do this year. And I guarantee you, you need to do a little bit of both. You need to do a little bit of both. Do it all, if you can. Now, if you're coming in and you're a new guy to this, and you don't have the 1,500 for your website, you don't have this and that, let me tell you what you need to do. You need to get the door hangers. Door hangers work. But I'm gonna tell you my strategy. And you can see my door hanger. Have an area where you can put your price on your door hanger. Like you can write it in. You know what I'm saying? I guarantee you that will help you out, because people want to know how much it's gonna cost me. Yeah, you good, you dependable, you reliable, man. When it get down to it, man, how much it's gonna cost me? But don't sell yourself short, guys. Don't sell yourself short. Because you got to get to the part. It depends on what you're looking for. Some people want to be the one guy in the truck, not me. But if you're looking to grow your business, you can't do it. You're going to work yourself to death. You got to charge the prices. So, what are your numbers? What did you make? And what was your home run hit? Like, if you had to choose one, what would you do based upon what your results were last year? For me, I would, website and my Google business. That's what I would do. And that's gonna cost you at least $1,500. All right, fam. Cut on, Lawn Care family, cut on. And I'm cutting out. Peace.